Welcome to the Hard Reset YouTube channel, guys. In this video I'm going to unbox this INFINIX Hot 40 Pro, show you around, review its specifications, maybe preview the accessories it comes with, and so on. So without any further delays, let's jump right into it. First I will need to cut this film, or film, probably plastic film, and well, tear it apart so I can actually open the box. So this step has been done successfully. Now let's look at the specifications you'll find on the box. So this INFINIX Hot 40 Pro has the NFC functionality or capabilities, high resolution audio, so enhanced sound and enhanced speaker audio, 256 gigabytes of built-in native storage, 16 gigabytes of RAM, out of which 8 gigabytes are hardware RAM, and 8 additional gigabytes you can enable in the system settings. Those are the virtual RAM feature, or RAM plus memory extension, something like that. So combined 16 gigabytes of both physical and virtual RAM. Then there is some magic ring technology, which I have no idea what it is, to be honest, but well, if you are an Infinix geek, you'll probably know. They also put the chipset at the front. Probably the Infinix is proud of this chip, Helio G99 X-Boost gaming engine, so probably you can get a halfway or somewhat decent performance and productivity out of it, but don't take my word on that. At the back we'll also find that this phone has the 108 megapixels portrait main camera at the back, as well as the 32 megapixels crystal clear selfie camera. Well, what can I say? 108 megapixels of main camera. It's, well, a pretty decent spec. But, well, if the photos will not be like on the iPhone or, well, Google Pixel level probably, but still that's the pretty good resolution to film in, so at least you'll get good and quality details out of your photos, so I guess you can do some macro photo with it. It also supports the 32 watt fast charge, which is great. Well, not the best, obviously, but well, still very great. 5,000 milliampere hours of battery capacity, the NFC capabilities as we've already seen, the 120 Hz full HD plus screen. So, well, that's a pretty decent specifications for a display if you ask me, and some meta material gaming network technology. Have no idea what it should mean. And if you would like to see even more specs, you'll find them here, so pause the video if you like to learn them. Now let's open the box and see what accessories this smartphone comes with. So here's the device itself. Let's unpeel this protective layer of film. Here it is, or here it goes rather. That's how the phone looks from the back. At the front, let's quickly power it on. No bezels, by the way. The camera, no notches, nothing. Just the camera that is the camera that is cut into the screen. So well, that looks pretty great. Here you get very default injection tool, very default Infinix injection tool, form factor to be exact. You also get the paperwork, warranty card, manual, right? Yep, user manual, so should you have any issues with the setup or the phone itself, you can address it and read it to find some help, or you can just look for the help on our YouTube channel, since we will definitely have all the tutorials and guides you'll ever need for this phone. The smartphone also comes with a phone case, which I will put it in right away, since, well, the case is pretty flexible. The plastic or the material that it's made out of is not actually, it doesn't feel like plastic. It feels like some rubber or resin, something like that. And well, it feels pretty great actually. It's a good quality phone case, especially considering that well, you'll get it alongside the phone. At the back side, or I mean at the side, just at the side of your phone, you'll find the fingerprint sensor or scanner that is built into the power button. And then you also get the 33 watts charging brick or charging adapter. That's what it looks like. Charging wire or per default USB to Type-C wire, as well as cheap headphones that probably all INFINIX smartphone get. So very default thing. That's what it looks like. Or actually, from what I can see, I had the Hot 40i model unboxed recently, as well as Smart 8, and their headphones were not as advanced and great as these earbuds are. So yeah, the flagman Hot 40 Pro model gets way better headphones alongside it. So well, that's good to know, and the whole unboxing experience feels more premium. Just overall a better experience, as you would expect. And well, I guess that would conclude this video, guys. If you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. But as far as this video goes, thanks for watching, and bye bye.